Turbo, what are you doing today, Turbo? You eating? Turbo. Turbo. Hey, pup. Turbo. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are making a short video of how to replace your tag lights. Okay, the tag lights on this Honda Odyssey. Okay, this is a 2014 Honda Odyssey, and when you first look at this, they're right here, and when you see this piece right here, you're thinking that it's gonna be a huge job because this might have to come out, this whole trim right here. This is the tailgate. I have the tailgate open. All right, so that's not the case. You grab one of these guys right here, you come inside the vehicle, and you pop this cover like so. Cover comes out. All right, you come over here, and there's one right here. You don't even have to unplug it. There's two tabs. There's two tabs that you pop. See these tabs I'm holding? You pop them. There's the bulb. Same thing with the other one. Recommend you replace them together in a pair. That way, hopefully they go out the same time the next time. This one has got one that is burned and one that is not wanting to work. As far as the bulbs go, you're gonna need a 168. If you can see it, 168. I chose this brand. They were cheap, less than $7 a pair. And we're gonna put them in. We're gonna take them out and put them in right now. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So you gotta pry side by side until this comes off. It did not come off as easy as I show here. I had to hold the phone. I couldn't do it all at the same time. But when you take him out, you gotta hold the connector, the base, and wiggle the bulb side by side. Wiggle the bulb side by side as you pull out. Be careful not to break the bulb in your hand, because then you're gonna be getting cut. And that's the way it comes off. Now we're gonna take the new one and put it on. When you install these, you want to have your hands completely clean and washed, because bulbs don't like grease. That can make the bulb burn, or it can they will probably not last as long. I don't know. I have issues with that before, and anybody that's worked on cars knows that we should never have our hands dirty. Some people will put some bulb grease, but it looks like there's some in there already. I'm not going to put any of that stuff in there, just because I don't have anything, and I'm not putting wheel bearing grease on them. There's a white lithium grease, or there's other things that's sold in the outer part for these. All right, so I got both installed. We're going to put this connector back in its place, and this literally goes in and it clicks like so, and then kind of give it a little pull, lightly. Don't pull the wire harness, just kind of give it a twist. See, make sure it's in there. There's the other one, same thing. It goes in and it clicks, and that's it. That's both of them. Now we got to put this guy in there again, and it has a notch on the top, as you can see right there. Just a notch right there. That notch goes towards the bottom of the door as such. All right, so what you want to do is all them taps go in them holes like so, and then literally you just clip it on there. All right, let's see if it works. I'm gonna ask my helper to turn on them lights. Go ahead, helper. All right, one's working and the other one is working. Well, guys, I hope that this helped you with installing your license plate lights on your vehicle on a Honda Odyssey. It is important for these to work, because there is some state troopers that don't need any excuses to stop you, and they will stop you just for that, and you might even get a ticket for them. So $6 and not even 4 minutes of work can save you from a headache in an 8-hour court session that nobody wants to deal with. Well, I hope you like it, and we'll say bye to Turbo. Hey, Turbo, say bye. Turbo says bye. Turbo says hi. And see you later, guys.